Today we will be showing you how to assemble and adjust the rollers on your Taylor Lil Pea Sheller 675 V2. First, you're going to want to start with your small roller. Place 2 washers on the left side of your roller and 4 washers on the right side of your roller. You may need more or fewer washers depending on the alignment with the holes. Next, take your bearing blocks, make sure the small hole is facing downward, and position one on each side. Ensure they are aligned evenly. Now position the assembly onto the pea sheller. Grab your screws and insert them into the bottom holes to secure the bearing blocks into place. After that, take the bearing block springs and place one on each side, setting them on top of the bearing blocks. Grab your large roller, place 2 washers on the left side and 2 washers on the right side. Now take your bearing blocks for the top, ensuring the larger holes are positioned towards the top. Attach one bearing block to each side. Once you get your bearing blocks in place, angle the roller and push it onto the springs. Twist gently until the springs snap into place. Now secure your roller by inserting screws into the top holes. Follow this by attaching the bearing block plates, one per side. Grab 4 smaller screws and insert them into the top holes. The outer screw is going to be for adjustment, while the inner screw secures the outside guard. Put 2 nuts onto the bottom screws, followed by wing nuts on the top screws. Don't worry about tightening these too much, they will need to be removed later. Now it's time for the gears. On the side you attached your gears to, remove your bottom nut and top wing nuts. Slide your gear cover into place. Then reattach the bottom nut and top wing nut. Finally, to adjust the rollers, you turn the outer screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. You want the gap between the rollers to be about the width of a dime and no wider than the width of a nickel. And that's how to assemble and adjust the rollers on your Taylor Lil Pea Sheller 675 V2.